Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS tables, and right now we'll be discussing about how to increase or decrease table width. The table above might seem small in some cases. If you need a table that should span through the entire screen full width, you should just add width property along with 100% value to the table element. Then it's going to full the whole screen. So I'm going to show you how this works. Get to our document. This is our document where we created in our previous tutorial, and this from this left blue line here to the right blue border right here is our table width. So let's see it clearly. Let's see it clearly so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let's select our table right here. We want to select the table separately. I just want you guys to see this in another way, because I want to change the color of our table itself. So yes, as you can see, that is the color of our table is turning to red now. So now I want to increase and decrease the table width. The table width. So from that left side to the right side, I want to increase and decrease it. So I'm going to specify width property along with 100%. So when I give it 100%, you are going to see the width is going to get bigger, and everything that is inside it is going to get bigger also. Can you see the width now from this left to the right here? Can you see how it's long now? It's getting longer. So let's reduce it. Maybe we can use pixel also if you want. You can use pixel. You can do like 150 pixel, just in case you love to use pixel, just to give it specific width. Can you see the way it's long and the way can you see how it goes? So we are controlling that red border with that red width. So that's what you should know. And let's say for instance now I want to show you guys something. If you notice very well, our table caption right here is looking nice, and now everything is looking nice. Let's now say for instance now you are decreasing or increasing the width. Let's give it 350 again, so you guys can see what I'm talking about right here very well. When I reload, can you see the width grows, right? The width grows. But if let's now say for instance now we are having our caption inside here, we are having th and td there. So let's increase the width from there. Now let's see if this width is going to look nice. Let's control it right here so you guys can see. I'm just doing it inside here right now so you guys can see what will happen. Now let's reload our document. Can you see it get bigger, but when the caption right here is not controlling itself. Can you see the caption scattered somehow? So let's say for instance I will give it 350. We give it 250 pixels. You are going to see the caption width is not going to rhyme. Can you see the caption width right here is not rhyme? That's why I selected the table itself separately. You can understand what I'm talking about. That's why I selected the table itself separately. The same value I gave it there, and I selected the table right here separately, and I give it what value of width property. When I give it value of width property, I now give it 350 pixel that I gave it previously. When I gave it the 350, we are going to see everything is going to rhyme now. Can you see now it is rhyme? No matter how we short or long the width, it's going to look rhyme. It's going to rhyme because we are selecting the table width only. You understand? So can you see? But if you are selecting everything together with THTD, especially if you are selecting it with T caption right here, it's not going to rhyme. Let's select it with T caption. So table caption. Can you see the table caption is lower than the table element itself? So that's why you don't want to select it together, so that you can just control the width of our table only. So I want you guys to understand what I'm talking about. So when you control this thing together, when you paste this value right here inside here, when we control it together like this, you're going to see, can you see the caption is not aligned with the table again? But when you don't control it together, when you don't control it together, you control table width by itself on its own level. Let's redo that. Can you see now the caption is aligned to it again? So everything is now going like the way we want. So that's what I want you guys to know. So I want you guys to practice this, because when you are trying to control the width of a table along with other elements also, it's going to scatter your document. So that's why you should select it separately and control the width separately. That's why we are having, so no matter amount of width we gave it, let's give it 350 right here, the caption and everything is going to align with it. Can you see everything is fine? But if you control it with caption, let's say for instance we'll carry this value right here now, you paste it inside here now, save our document, it's going to destroy. Can you see how it destroyed? That's what I'm trying to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love.